Look who we have here. That was some mess with McDaniels and Professor Bell. You ain't no executioner, that's for sure. If you think you're a bounty hunter, though, there's a poster on the wall there.
Okay, Chief.
How are you today?
You going after Lindsey Wofford?
I might be. Or I might just want to hang his poster up on my wall.
Yeah, they're a bad lot, the LEMOYNE Raiders. Stupid fellas won't leave good enough alone. One of these days, the government's gonna get sick of private militias, you know.
One of these days, the government's gonna get sick of all of us.
Don't tell them I said that.
The bounty. Why are you making this feller someone else's problem?
We, sir, are an urban police force. And the Raiders are, well, mostly a rural nuisance. My men simply are not suited for this kind of work.
This feller in particular, Wofford, ain't it? Why him?
You cut off the head, the body dies. That's the hypothesis, at least. We shall see if it can be demonstrated with the LEMOYNE Raiders.
If the bounty's for this whole outfit, you should have made it more. Guess all that remains is to bring him in.
What state they come in, we'll leave to your discretion. May justice be done. Yep.
There, girl.
Go on and move!
Here we go. Yeah. Okay, girl. Easy, girl. Yep. Shh, girl.
Hello?
Stay. Lindsey Wofford, I got here a warrant for your arrest, or the other thing if it comes to it.
A federal warrant? No. That don't mean much in a sovereign territory, mister.
Surrender. I'm well within my rights to shoot you.
We need a man on the cranker! Lindsey, get to your places! We're seeing some fighting today!
Come on, Raiders, go!
Government don't care about you, sir. You're dead.
Got me a captive.
I do not surrender. Who's still fighting? Anyone? Oh, God damn it.
I guess all that remains is to take you in.
Damn you to hell. Oh, lackey. Oh, you bastard. Girl. Ah! Off me! Oh, damn you!
Now, sit tight. I'll get us to Saint Denis.
I won't go there. I won't.
Ain't really up to you, partner. Yeah, good girl.
Come on. Oh, this is an atrocity! It's an abomination! Oh, shame on you! Oh, you're outside the law, mister! This back of that horse, that's... Lindsey... Hey!
Hey, he's mine! Everyone wants a piece of you, Mr. Wofford. Now, let's get you back.
Ow, ow.
Look at the floor for a bit.
Wait. Who's that warrant from, huh? Oh, the U.S. government? But it ain't valid, because I'm no longer a citizen of the so-called United States. No, this ain't de jure. The federal government don't have no jurisdiction over me. I'm a citizen of the free state of LeMoyne, and am subject to state law alone. Understand that, you dumb bastard?
Good girl.
This is what this country's become. It's a cesspit, a disaster, an abomination. Bounty hunters killing each other for the pleasure of taking a man's freedom. Awful. Ugh. It's greedy, grasping, carpetbagger bullcrap, and we're drowning in it. We're up to our ears, sir. There's no room for freedom. No, sir, there ain't. No room where there's money to be made. It's deplorable. The LeMoyne Raiders ain't done yet. We are bloody, but unbowed. We will never surrender.
Hey, Woff. Don't like talking to you folk normally, but you're a LeMoyne Raider, right? So I thought I'd say, I'm bunking at your old place at the moment. Shady Belle?
What? You the fellers that took the bell? You murdering animals! You savage Yankee bastards! You'll get your comeuppance, all right?
You know, I ain't sure that we will.
Señor.
Our journey is almost at an end.
Oh, I hope the night folk get you, you son of a bitch, and hang you from a tree.
Oh, well... Sure, you know.
I don't want any trouble. I'm just minding my business.
Yeah, this is it.
Damn the police. Damn every one of them. Traitors.
Come on.
One more for the hangman's noose.
Oh, sorry.
No, you're a traitor, sir.
Got a live one for you.
Well, looky here. We got a genuine LEMOYNE Raider in the building. Make the poor fella comfortable in one of our cells.
Bet you ain't felt a bed in a while.
Damn traitor's bed. Get me off of here.
Calm down.
I make good on my promises. Here's your payment.
That's it.
Get out of here, you traitor. Now get out of here! Chief, you get this fella out of here! Well, just go, why don't you? Bye, you scum! Awful scum!
Come on, girl.